Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Fitify, which is a fitness app that is designed for body weight workouts, strength training, and personalized fitness plans. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore Fitify and see if it is right fit for your workout routine. So Fitify is a versatile fitness app that provides custom workout plans, guided exercises, and no equipment routines. It is designed for home workouts and gym training, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. If we talk about the number of exercises, so according to the application, you are going to get over 900 plus exercises, including body weight, kettlebell, resistant band, and more. It will also provide you the AI powered personalized workout, so you can adjust your plans based on your fitness levels and goals. You will also get the offline mode, so you will be able to download your workouts to train your without an internet connection. You will also get the workouts in which you don't need any equipment. It is great for home workouts with body weight exercises. It also supports all the fitness levels, so whether you are a beginner or advanced, there is a plan for you. If we talk about the cons, so it has limited free features, so you will have to pay for it to get all the premium features. And there is no live classes, so unlike some competitors, Fitify doesn't actually offer you live coaching sessions. So if you are looking for an easy to use and effective fitness application that offers personalized training plans and a variety of workouts, Fitify is a good choice. So whether at home or in the gym, it helps you stay consistent and reach your fitness goals. So if you want to get started with it, you can just check out the link in the description and try Fitify today. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more this type of content, this type of honest reviews. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the